All right, guys, EverPreneur, this is Car Talk number 5, and I'm listening to that interview from Ty Lopez and Russell Brunson. Awesome interview. I want to try to link it for you guys below. But essentially, now Ty Lopez is coming back and saying, when you're selling, what are the 3 things? And this is actually given to him by the Wolf of Wall Street guy, Jordan Belfort. But his first rule, Jordan Belfort's first rule in selling was that they need to trust you. You need to make sure that potential prospect or client sees you as a reputable source for giving them information. They need to trust you. Trust is huge, especially when selling higher ticket items for sure. I mean, if you're selling, a bar of soap, then it's not as important. But if you're selling yourself or selling a program that kind of relates to you, they just need to trust you or trust your brand. Even that same bar of soap, is it hygienic? Is it gonna, give me lice? Multiple different things. So first step in that, are they gonna trust you? EverPreneur, Car Talk, baby. For more on the Ty Lopez and Russell Brunson interview, check out the next videos I've just linked. You guys are gonna love them. Have a good one.